Hi, my name is Katie Wargo, and I'm the program director and creator for Sound to Silence. Sound to Silence is a mental health and substance misuse program for our youth. We work really close with Anne Arundel County Public Schools right here in Anne Arundel County to bring services and activities to our students to better help them understand mental health, substance misuse, and to break the stigma surrounding mental health and substance misuse disorders. So what inspired me to get in this line of work is I actually lost both of my brothers to substance misuse disorder and my father to substance misuse disorder. My brothers were twins, and we lost them both at different times during the heat of the opioid epidemic. And my father was your average, drank a beer every day, which eventually led to alcoholism and the shutdown of his kidneys. So for me, knowing that I am genetically predisposed and my children are genetically predisposed to substances or substance misuse disorder, and serious mental health issues have run for so deep in my family on my dad's side for so long, and not understanding what that was as a child, my mom, who is my partner in our nonprofit, we knew that we wanted to help other families better understand the things that we didn't understand when we were going through it, even when it was my grandmother or my aunt, all the way to my brother who started showing signs of severe mental health issues in middle school, and we had no clue. So it really inspired us to, like I said, help other families better understand, but also teach true prevention at its core. And prevention at its core is to stop something before it starts. So I think some challenges that my nonprofit struggles with is I'm the director, and my mom is our outreach coordinator, and then we have one more partner, Michelle Fenner, who is our education expert because she's an Anne Arundel County public school teacher and has been for the last 25 years. But we're all kind of doing different things, and we're a three-man show, and our organization just keeps growing, and being able to stay on top of all the emails and planning all the events and making sure that we have that proper line of communication always tends to be a little bit of a struggle. So having one place that a lot of people know, schedule or SignUpGenius, and that platform, especially with the school system, it makes it a little bit easier. But I would definitely say that just maintaining emails and keeping up that communication individually tends to be a little bit of a challenge. SignUpGenius has definitely impacted our day-to-day operations when it comes to scheduling out big events or to keep our schedule in line for in-person speaking tours. Between our big events where we invite all the different organizations to come out, we have SignUpGenius set up just for our vendor tables, and then we have one set up for those that are coming and they want to participate and they're bringing the kids. So we usually have a couple of these going, and then we have another one where we have our pre-calendar set up, and schools can choose specific dates and times for us to come to them. So it's definitely been a positive impact using SignUpGenius, and so many people utilize this platform, especially the school system. I know teachers absolutely love it. So it's definitely been a super wonderful thing to have for us to keep us going. Thank you, SignUpGenius, for all of your help. And yeah, check us out, Sound to Silence or House of Addictions. You can find us on all social media. And thank you.